Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2022. An observer moves towards a stationary source of sound with a velocity equal to 1/5 of the velocity of sound. The percentage change in the frequency will be. So student, this question is based on Doppler effect. Doppler effect. Here observer is moving with velocity of sound equal to 1/5 of the velocity of sound. So here velocity of observer BO equal to by 5 it is given, and this is the sound source which is initially at rest, and this observer is moving towards the source. Therefore frequency n dash will be n into v plus v naught by v. So putting the value of b naught, which is b by 5, n into b plus b by 5 upon b, that is n into 6b by 5 upon b. B we cancel, we got 6n upon 5. So frequency or virtual frequency is 6n upon 5. Now change in frequency del n equal to n dash minus n, that is 6n upon 5 minus n, that is 6n minus 5n upon 5, that is n upon 5. So del n change in frequency is n upon 5. Question is asking percentage change in frequency. So del n percent equal to del n upon initial frequency, which is n, into 100%, and del n is n by 5 upon n into 100%. So n cancel, 1 upon 5 into 100%, that is 20%. 5 divided 100 20 times, therefore 20% is the change in percentage in frequency, which is found in option A. Therefore option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.